How to enable and disable call forwarding on iPhone. So first is by opening your settings app and scroll down until you can see phone right here. So below memos and above messages. So click on phone and scroll down once again and look for call forwarding under the call section. So click on call forwarding and wait for it to load. To enable the call forwarding feature, you need to click on a toggle button and it should turn into green like this one. And then make sure to choose the forward to option and type in the um, number that you want to forward to. So for example, whenever someone called you and then you haven't answered their call, uh, they will be forwarded to a different number that you provided. So in order for you to turn this one off, you may also go back to settings, go to phone, go back to call forwarding, and simply click on the toggle button right here, and it should turn into gray like this one. So that's it. That's how you can enable and disable call forwarding in iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.